Hello, what is up everyone, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the new Hot Wheels monster trucks, new for 2023, the Jurassic Park Jeep, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, it is the Jeep Wrangler. So yeah, today we have the monster truck Jurassic Park Jeep Wrangler. So basically, here it is, Freestyle Wreckers number 6 out of 11. Jurassic Park Jeep, as it says right there. It comes with the Jeep Wrangler itself, as well as this crushable car, as you can see right there. Moving on to the back, so it's information right here. You can pause to check it out as well. Yeah, so that's the information, and here is the list that it comes with. Ooh, I know many people are getting this. It is quite hard for me to get this one as well, the Jeep Wrangler. It's quite difficult to find as well, but the most difficult one is basically this. People are reselling it for such an expensive price. The Nissan Skyline R34 Fast and Furious Brian O'Connor's Fast and Furious Nissan Skyline. Very rare indeed. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this one. So here it is, the Jeep Wrangler, as you can see right here. So yeah, very nice indeed right here. Like, due to the fact that they actually took the Jeep Wrangler casting and made it into the Jurassic Park theme, is quite creative as well. Not many people were expecting this one, but still it is quite nice selection right here. I couldn't really describe the color for this. It's I don't know, it's more like matte, matte tannish green, I guess. It's hard to describe the color, but still overall looks okay. So let's go ahead and check this one out. So you can see that it has red rims right here, as you can see. Obviously you have the same rubber wheels, as you can see, Hot Wheels, and yeah, with the Hot Wheels logo right there. And then you have this sort of like gray chassis right here, and then you have this sort of like the wheel arches, plastic by the way. You have the door step, and then it says Jurassic Park right there with a red stripe right there. Moving on to the front, you have the headlight details, the grille, and then you have what else? For the hood, it says JP18, and then you have this red sort of stripe near the windshield right there. Roof seems clean, nothing much on the roof. And then moving on to the back, you have the rear lights, and then it says Monster Trucks. Moving on to the base, yeah, the base is in chrome silver, and yeah, basically it says made in Thailand right there. Let's give it a turn on the turntable first before I'll show you the crushable car that it comes with. So yeah, let's go ahead and let me show you the car here. So it came with this, I don't really remember the casting, but if I'm not mistaken, it's Cruise Bruiser. By the shape of it, it's more of like a wagon type of crushable car, so I think it should be the Cruise Bruiser if I'm not mistaken, in this very bright orange actually. So yeah, it's more of like that wagon shape. I'm not entirely sure whether it's yeah, more to that Cruise Bruiser shape if I'm not mistaken. It should be, but yeah, overall it seems okay and pretty good as well. But yeah, hopefully I'll try to find that R34 if I can, and yes, it's extremely rare. I hope I'm able to find it and obviously make it a review for you guys, so that you could get a close-up and see how it actually looks like, and obviously see and enjoy the creativity of the car itself. So yeah, there you go, that is my review of the Jeep Wrangler this Jeep Wrangler, the Jurassic Park theme, but overall it seems like a great casting to become a monster truck. Sadly, I don't think you get this in mainline, but still would be fun to get it in mainline. But yeah, there you go. That's my review of the the Jurassic Park Jeep Wrangler. Overall, yeah, very nice. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Now, see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.